It is unknown exactly when or where this fowl, with their singular combination of attributes, first appeared, but the most well-documented point of origin is ancient China. Other places in the Southeast Asia have been named as possibilities, such as India or Java. The earliest surviving Western written accounts of silkies come from Marco Polo, who wrote of a furry chicken in the 13th century during his travels to Asia. The silkie, a breed of chicken named for its typically fluffy plumage, which is said to feel like silk and satin. The breed has several other unusual qualities such as black skin and bones, blue earlobes, and 5 toes on each foot, whereas most chickens only have 4. They are often exhibited in poultry shows and appear in various colors. In addition to their distinctive physical characteristics, silkies are well known for their calm, friendly temperament. It is among the most docile of poultry. Hens are also exceptionally broody and care for young well. Though they are fair layers themselves, laying only about 3 eggs a week, they are commonly used to hatch eggs from other breeds and bird species due to their broody nature. Silkies appear in 2 distinct varieties, bearded and non-bearded. Bearded silkies have an extra muff of feathers under the beak area that cover their earlobes. They also are separated according to color. Colors of silkies recognized for competitive showing include black, blue, buff, gray, partridge, and white. Alternative hues such as cuckoo, lavender, red, and splash also exist. The silkie chicken is notoriously difficult to sex until around the age of 6 months. A breeder can certainly give you their best guess in sex, but it's not as certain until the bird actually crows. Melanism has been studied more often in silkies than any other breed. The black meat of silkie is generally considered an unusual attribute in European and American cuisines. In contrast, several Asian cuisines consider silkie meat a gourmet food. Chinese cuisine especially values the breed, but it is also a common ingredient in some Japanese, Cambodian, Vietnamese, and Korean dishes. Areas where Chinese cuisine has a strong influence, such as Malaysia, may also cook silkie. Silkies are a charming, docile, and calm breed of chickens. They have poor flying skills and a love for human interaction. These birds are perfect for children who are old enough to interact with them. They are a quieter breed of chicken unless threatened, and with unique features are a fascinating chicken to own. They usually do little or no damage to the garden if given them to access freely.